Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyisa Lamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to register your payment gateway. A payment gateway is literally what allows you to receive the money from your customer. So, every time you're on the checkout page and you put in your credit card details, what you're actually doing is you're about to make payment on a payment gateway, and then from the seller side of things, you need to set up a payment gateway so that customers are able to pay you through your e-commerce store, and then your payment gateway will pay you. Obviously, they'll take the transaction fees and whatnot. So the payment gateway that we're going to use today is YOCO. I'm a big fan of YOCO because the more transactions you do with them, the cheaper they make the transactions fees. And the second thing is that based on your online store, they'll track your performance of your online store over 3 months, and based on the total revenue that you've received, they will offer you a cash advance. So they'll kind of like invest in your e-commerce store based on how much sales you're making, and you don't need any collateral. So every time that if you take the cash advance, and every time a new customer comes onto your store, they'll just deduct that amount from the amount owing to them. So I know PayFast also does this, but I pretty much like Yoko. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna go to Yoko, and we're gonna just go to Yoko Payment Gateway. Then we're gonna say sign up for free. So you just put your email over here. Your mobile number. Then put the password. Yes. Put your business name. Then you fill in all this information. Choose what type of company that you are. I'll probably do a video showing you how to register a company if you're based in South Africa. And also, if we're going to be dropshipping to the States and other international countries, we definitely going to have to sign up for a PayPal account. And that's another payment gateway that just receives dollars or other currencies besides the Rand. Yoko receives only rands. So remember that when you sign up with the payment gateway, make sure you know what currency you're able to receive. You select what business you are. Choose what you can do. So if you don't know, if you also got your own physical store, physical outlet, you can also come onto Yoko. You can buy a card machine. They actually make payments quite easy. And the last thing about Yoko is that they also, on their web payments feature, they have this function called Save Card. So your customers, if they come to your site on your website and they're frequent customers, they don't have to fill in their details over and over again. And this is how the business portal looks like. All right. So in this part right now, all you have to do is just add your business details, confirm your identity, and then add your bank details. So you literally, let's see what we can do here. You just literally click everything over here. You fill in all the information that's required over here, and then you just submit. I'm just gonna show you all the different things that you have to submit. Then you so this is how you confirm your identity. So if you are South African, you're gonna have to have your South African ID book or your ID card, passport or residence permit. So this is all the information. And then for your business details, this is all the information that you have to put in there. And it says, so don't worry, don't get intimidated about the average monthly business income. Obviously, if you're new and starting, will probably be zero. And the reason why we choose to have a payment gateway set up with our business information rather than our personal information is quite simply tax. In South Africa, I think the tax rate is like 28% or 29% on profit versus if you, let's say, a high end earner in South Africa, you can be taxed something above 40 to 45%. So if you're making a lot of sales, it just makes more sense for you to open a bank account. So that's pretty much all in terms of setting up your payment gateway. Once you set this up, I will show you initially in terms of how to put this on your website. Hey guys, so once you've registered your Yoko payment details, what you want to do is that you want to go to this tab which says sell online. You want to go to the payment gateway, and then we're going to use our live public key and our live secret key to sync our payment gateway to our e-commerce store. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you in the next